Today we're unboxing and taking a look at the Perry Mock Toe from White's Boots. So today we're unboxing and taking a look at the Perry Mock Toe from White's Boots. They are White's Boots' first boots priced under $300. I ordered these boots a couple weeks ago, and the retail price is, I think it's $265, I think, or is it $269.95. And so this past weekend for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, they've been on sale for 20% off. Not sure how much longer this sale will last, but if you're interested in these boots, now would be the time to get them. If you're not familiar with White's Boots, they're a USA boot manufacturer that's been around since 1915. They're manufactured in Spokane, Washington, where they started. And they have a reputation of making some really quality work boots, functional work boots that are made to last. The Perry Mock Toe is their first boot that is priced under $300. It is model R4000, and these boots, if they live up to the hype, they are solid construction, well made, and made to last. So let's take a look.